So the first part is the y-axis assembly, I think. So I found those frames. I have to check y-axis. So yep, as promised, we're gonna open them. There's one part. Tubes. Alright. So now this is the plastic parts. I don't see any screwdrivers. I think already here now. This is the extruder. Let's see here. Oh. So it comes with a sticky for those sticky prints. Let's see what comes in this box. So there's those spare parts. Oh, I love screws, my friends. The bearings and stuff. Cables. We have a lot of more odd bearings. I think this is a lubricant, but as I read, I don't think we need it till now. This is for maintenance later on. Here's the tools. It's nice to have tools. All right. So here's alcohol pad. Here's the USB cables, and here's the LCD. So we'll leave this. It's usually best to leave the electronics packed to get damaged, electrostatic or something. So this is the main box we want. This one, let's see. Maybe we might need this. We'll see. So it's nice that we have certain y-axis, so we know we're working with the correct ones. That's easier. Let's just put them right in the box. Alright, looks good. Here's the timing belt, or the fit belt, screws. Those are necessary for now. All right. Oh. Alright, we don't need that. So, we might need this one. So, and we need that one. This is for the long. They say the long brackets. They have to be on this side, like there. And the small ones there on the lower side. Alright. Let's remove this for now. Alright. Okay. These are the ones we need, because we need them all now. I think we need the biggest one. Let's see. Perfect. Those are all the same for both sides. So we'll start few screws here. You can put it in place. That is so cool. All right. Give it a little bit of tightening, not too much. Might need to adjust later. That's good. Alright, first part is ready. Now we take the frame, the switch towards you. So these are the PCU power supply holders. They have to be on the correct side. The first screw is always the hardest. Let's see. Nice frame. I think this is powder coated paint. Alright, that looks good. Perfect. Let's see. We're gonna install these now. They're all the same from all sides, so I'm gonna put them here. Such as this. Just enough force, not too much. So those extrusion kind of bars are going on in 3D space. They'll use on most printers because of their easy access and alignment and stuff like that. So those have to be on this side because of the power supply unit. Yes, perfect. All right. Right. So now I'll put it on a flat surface. So it seems leveled. I'm afraid of because of these the different levels. So maybe I'll take it and check it on a marble. I'll be back. So I checked it on a marble top, and it looks good. The printer is capable of like self-adjusting to a few millimeters if there's like misalignment. For now it seems good. Let's see what's next. Have to read all instructions with the text and just the pictures. Now the mounting anti-vibration feet optional. And we're gonna put these because it's gonna be unit is gonna be placed on glass tops. Unfortunately, that's the only space I have. All right, let's insert the feet. Anti-vibration. All right, so it's like that. Like this. All right, that's great. Now preparing the white belt. Where is the white belt? All right, here's the belt, and here is the